Cleaning up customer records in QuickBooks Desktop can be difficult when the customer list has grown messy over time. This usually happens after test imports, duplicate customer creation, sample data, old customers' job records, migration mistakes, or customer names that were created with the wrong format. Some users make these customers inactive, but if the records were created by mistake and are safe to remove, deleting them helps keep the customer list cleaner and easier to manage. Instead of finding and deleting each customer manually in QuickBooks Desktop, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you search customer records, filter the results, review the list, download the data if needed, and delete selected customers from QuickBooks Desktop. In this video, I'll show you how to delete customers in QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop from the product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks when prompted. Authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Before you start, make sure the customers you select are safe to delete and are not linked to transactions you need to keep. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Delete. Here, you'll see different ways to find records for deletion. Uploaded Files helps you find records that were already imported through SaasAnt based on the selected date range. QuickBooks Search lets you search records directly from QuickBooks by type and date. Filter lets you narrow the results using available fields like active status, amount, or class. Search by reference number helps when you already know the exact customer names or reference values you want to delete. For this example, I'm choosing QuickBooks Search. Select the QuickBooks type as Customer. Now choose the date type, such as Created or Modified Date. Select the date range and click Search. SaasAnt will now fetch the matching customer records from QuickBooks Desktop. Once the customer records appear in the grid, review them carefully. Select only the customers you want to delete. You can also download the list before deletion for your records. Once everything looks correct, click Delete. SaasAnt will show a confirmation message before deleting the selected customers. Review the confirmation and click OK to continue. SaasAnt will now delete the selected customer records from QuickBooks Desktop. That's how you can clean up and delete customers in QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.